Hi friends, in this video tutorial we would study how to add a column using the AI feature of Microsoft Excel. So here you can see I have a sheet in which I have two columns, company name and category. So in order to add a column, the first thing which we'll do is we'll convert this quantity or this data into a table. So I'll click anywhere inside the data and I will press Ctrl T. Now it will ask my table has headers. I'll click on OK and you'll see that one table gets created. I'll click on this table design, table style and change it back to the light style. Now once the table is created, I'll click anywhere inside this to remove the highlight. Now I want to add one column called as code, and instead of technology I want to give the code as tech, instead of consumer staples as consumer, and so on. So in order to create a column by example, we have to click on data, and in data, in the get and transform data tab, you have from table range. So I'll click over here and this will instantly start the Power Query feature of Microsoft Excel. Now here I'll select the category column and after that I'll click on add column from examples, and I'll select from selection. Now here you can see a new column is created called as column 1. I will first change the name, so double click on it and I will give it the name as category code and I'll hit enter. Now instead of technology I'll give TECH and hit enter. Notice that the moment I press enter, the AI feature of Excel kicks in and based on the pattern it generates the code automatically. So for technology I wanted tech, I am happy with that. For healthcare it is healthcare, okay. But for consumer staples I want the code as consumer. For financials I want FIN. For energy I want energy itself. Okay, for technology is tech, healthcare is health. For consumer discretionary, I want it to have the code as consumer. So consumer staples and consumer discretionary, let it be the code as consumers. The rest I am happy with the codes. Then I'll click on OK and you will see that one column gets added called as category code. Now, what Excel has done in the background, if you would like to check it, you can click on this gear icon and you can see what Excel has done in the background. So here you can see for the category code column, wherever the category is technology, it has turned it into tech, where it is consumer staples to consumer, where it is financials to fin, consumer discretionary to consumer. I'll click on OK. Now if I don't want any extra column, I can click on the column, I can right click on it and I can select remove. To return back to my sheet, I'll click on home and select close and load. So you will see that Excel creates a new sheet and pumps the data into that new sheet. So original data is safe over here and this is the new sheet which it has created with the company name and the column which has been added by example. Now the beauty of this Power Query feature is that if I go into my original sheet and if I add some new data, take for example I type Coca-Cola and I give the code as consumer staples, and hit enter. Now the moment I come into my sheet and if I right click over here and I select refresh, that data gets added automatically. And this is because of the AI feature of Power Query in Microsoft Excel. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.